So you take your calculator, you shift sign 0.5427, shift sign 0.5427, then you will get 32.87 degree. And you know that add sugar to coffee. So sign positive, I will use the first and second quadrant. So first quadrant, this acute angle. Second quadrant, remember, 180 minus the acute angle. Then you got two answers. Okay, you got these two answers. First and second quadrant. Alright, so now B. B is sign negative. When sign negative, add sugar to coffee, sign negative. Positive is all and sign, so first and second. So when sign negative will be third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So you will use sine theta, you put alpha, 0.8603, negative, right? So alpha equals to what? You just take your calculator, shift sign 0.8603, then very good, 59.35. So this is an acute angle, sini acute angle, 59.35. Jadi, this because the question is negative here, then you have to find the third and fourth quadrant. Therefore, theta equals to third quadrant will be 180 plus your alpha and 360 minus your alpha. You got two answers. Okay. So the basic, okay, write like this also can. You got a question here. This one you write basic angle, I write alpha. It's the same lah. Then the most important is the last. The theta equals to these two answers. One is 180 plus your basic angle. One is 360 minus your basic angle. Okay, ignore the negative when you press your calculator. You just press shift sign 0.8603. The summer, add sugar to coffee. Cos positive will be first and the fourth quadrant. Okay, so you do this. Cos negative 0.9015. Okay, shift cos. Pergi shift cos. Must have a calculator with you now. 0.9. Very good. 25.64 theta. Okay, sebab question ialah first quadrant, so ini adalah, dan fourth quadrant. So your theta, you terus comma, 360 minus your acute angle. So dapat dua jawapan. Okay, so cos theta ini basic angle. Okay, saya rasa terus buat macam ni basic angle pun boleh lah. Senang sikit. Then nanti buat dua jawapan. Sebab dia kata positive, so first and fourth quadrant. Nampak ini. So dia 360 minus sini. So dia dapat sini lah. That's why the fourth quadrant will be 360. Sama dengan D. Okay. Okay, D. Add sugar to coffee. So cos negative. Because first and fourth is positive, so negative will be second and third quadrant. Then, okay. Basic angle. Shift cos 0.3407. Very good. Okay, sekarang ini basic. Tapi sebab ni negatif, saya nak theta ialah second and third quadrant. Second quadrant will be 180 minus dia. Then third quadrant 180 plus dia. Sebab sini second quadrant and third quadrant. Second quadrant kat sini, ini acute angle 70. So then you use 180 minus dia. Kalau sini 180 plus dia. Okay, so this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant. Dua jawapan. Okay, last for E. Last for E sama juga. Kita start dengan add sugar to coffee. E. Dia kata tangent positif. Tangent positif ialah third quadrant dengan first quadrant. So, guna tangent 1.3378. Basic angle lah, follow dia. Basic angle lah. So, shift tangent. Dapat? Very good. So now theta equals to first quadrant and third quadrant. Third quadrant macam mana?
233.22.
Very good. Dia 18 tambah kan? 233.22. Very good. Okay. Last, F. Alright, so F tangent theta equals to negative 1.6725. Okay, macam mana kita start? Add sugar to coffee. Very good. Ada bagi respon. Very good. So, tangent theta negatif. Negatif maksudnya dia bukan first, bukan third. Dia second and fourth quadrant jawapan dia. Jadi saya tulis saja basic angle dulu. Shift tangent 1.6725. Dapat apa? 59.12. Nah, okay. So, sekarang buat apa? Theta sama dengan kuadran yang kedua dan keempat. Kedua ialah 180 tolak dan 360 tolak. So, ini theta. Okay, so dia dapat dua jawapan. Sebab satu kat second quadrant, satu kat last quadrant.